I'm John Reed. I'm the director of a sales center at University of North Carolina, Wilmington. We have a concentration in professional sales. We are in our 11th year of offering that as an area of concentration, and the program has done phenomenally well for us. The students love it. This semester, we have 250 students concentrating in professional sales. Our sales center is getting ready to go into its 7th year of operation. So we are really proud of the program that we've built at UNCW.
What do you feel is unique about your sales center?
I think what is unique about us is the amount of engagement we have with our students. The sales center is constantly staffed and opened, and we welcome our sales concentration students to work together to practice their role plays. We have facilities to record students so they can get feedback. We are actively engaged with our sales center partners to give them a lot of face time with the students, both in classroom and with the sales center. So I would say engagement with our students is our most unique attribute.
And how do you feel that you've grown over the past few years, especially post-COVID?
COVID for us, like everyone else, represented a tough time. All enrollment, number of partners, and student engagement continued to grow during that period. We have grown from startup to over 250 students concentrating in professional sales, and from 4 partners up to our current level of 20 partners. Continue to grow, but grow in a controlled manner so that we maintain our standards of excellence.
How many competitions do you host there at your school each year or
Uh,
semester?
we have competitions for several of our sales center partners. We host 3 competitions per semester for 5 different partners, where our students do role plays of selling their particular product or service. Students love those. The partners love them. Big event at the school to host one of those competitions.
Do you see any big changes coming to your program?
We've made several changes over the years and continue to. Last semester, we began including a module in one of our existing courses on business development, which involves segmenting a market, identifying the best prospects, figuring out how to acquire those names either through list rentals or web scraping, and practicing outbound calls and email efforts to do fundraising for nonprofits or to promote our sales program and sales center. We are in the process of transitioning that to a full course that will help students when they transition into the work world in business or sales development rep. We've also included modules on analytics and sales forecasting, and to our management course, added a component on effective negotiations. So we are constantly striving to stay up with demands of the workplace to make sure our students are well prepared to transition from the university to full-time employment.
What do you see it as the advantages to membership with the USCA?
We love the USCA. I was among their strongest proponents. When I started at UNCW 4 years ago and took over as director of the sales center, the USCA was invaluable to me. And bothered Andrea Dixon, who was the president of the USCA at the time. I bombarded her with questions, and she was so good about providing counsel, feedback, advice, helping me to structure our program here and our sales center, and all of the other USCA members have just been a great source of advice and encouragement. And I found as an organization, the USCA is incredible on its members sharing information with one another. Hey, we tried doing this for our career fairs, and this is how it worked. Hey, we're looking at this new program. We love the USCA. We would not be nearly as successful as we have been without their help.
And what do you provide back to the USCA?
We try to pay it forward as much as possible when we try something new. We share, and it works. We share that the other USCA member school. It's part of USCA membership is that I serve on their committees and currently on the membership committee. So we help with recruiting new schools and reviewing applications for them. So I think it's we try to make it a two-way street, that we get a lot from our membership and we try to share our experience and learning with other member schools.
Did you do anything in your program at your center because of USCA?
The example I just gave of starting a business development module and expanding it into a course are a direct result of our USCA membership. In our meeting last fall, we spoke the need for a program that better prepared students for a role in business development, where a lot of sales graduates start off for the 6 to 12 months of their career, to make sure they were better prepared to do that. And we continue to learn and grow and evolve from what other schools are doing. It's been a tremendous resource for us.
Is there anything else you'd like to communicate about your program or involvement with USCA?
USCA, if you are not a USCA member, you should seriously look into it. They have tough standards for members, but the standards are designed to help you have a better program to better serve your students and partners. It's phenomenal organization. For our particular school, we continue to grow and evolve our sales program, and all of us involved with it are so excited to see the success that our sales concentration graduates have achieved in the workplace. We've produced some tremendous students who are doing incredibly well with a wide range of companies here in North Carolina and the Southeast and across the United States. So we love our program, love our students, love our partners, and love the USCA.